Okay, quick Friday lunchtime radar update. A little bit later today. Just had the waterboard here looking for a leak. Well, not so much looking, but so 250 through the opening range highs, DAX through the highs, FTSE 100 through the highs, small caps actually on the little gap fill after a gap higher. Obviously we gapped higher on the small caps there, so not bad market. Quick look at we've got a swing pointer in the making on copper. Zinc just consolidating action really, but looks okay. Oil's just bumbling around on. It's not, it's not a big deal being above there really, but it's been running for some time. Not seen that many oil stocks, but I'm sure there's the occasional one out there. Quick look. I'll just go on cable. Just sideways consolidating action. So let's go and quickly have a look through today's volume leaders. WATR putting a high in today, so helping the cause. The portfolio clean breakthrough all-time highs in the history of the world again today. It is 11:47. We should have traded 45% to be on average volume. Is that right? Yeah, about 45%. 44% really. 44% to be on average volume. Not that much of a volume day in the large caps. Let's have a buzz through these, see what's in there. RWA breaking out that little base there. Fully listed small cap. RWA. I know it's in the large caps, but I throw all the fully listed into one list. It should be fully listed and not fully listed. I'll put the AIM 100 in the large caps as well. So had a pretty big breakdown in some of these in the last full year, but it's trading towards a tick up in its forward numbers. Serica, I'll just go a little bit more into this one. This was the trend that was. Big trend in this one. Lots of chances to get on board that one on that run. And basically all it's done, the best way to view these ones what have already had a huge trend, is just go through the time frames. This is a monthly chart. And just, they can do this for a long time after a huge rise. And it's a good thing to see. Holding up, and then go down to the weekly. Yes, there is a base. It'll be quite a loose base, probably not that bad, but yeah, probably about 35% that base, maybe in depth. And I think that if you're interested in this one, I think it would be wise to let it break out first myself, but it's not that high on my focus list. See it break out, pull back, form a lower risk entry maybe would be the way to look at ones like that. Don't quote me on that. I've not looked into it any further than that, but we do see it today. Moving on. And that's the sort of action you want to see. See this big breakout level here and come back in and throw a lower risk nimble nibble sort of into the trend, rather than just taking the base and with very wide loose risk management. Moving on. More a case of it being commodity related than it you know, been a base what's been going sideways for many years. 40, what did I say, 45, somewhere around there. Is that right? 45. Yeah, lots of small caps running today. I'm going to fly through these. Just see what's running today in order of sector, obviously. Cornish Metals continues. WATR, fantastic. FCAP. Yeah, you know, when this happens, you get a bid on a stock what's got a trend. I know a few are riding this one at trading bases. It is what it is. You get paid, you know. 15, what's that? 50, 30, 3R plus without. Percent means nothing, does it? It doesn't matter. You know, it's only 50% out of this little base on top of this bigger base. So if you took the pullback and added on the base, you made a little bit of, you know, you made a few coins. It happens. The thing with buyouts, I know everyone makes a song and dance about it and how right they are, but at the end of the day, they you know, buyouts cut a good trend short over and over again. GYS. You know, good trends are cut short by buyouts. BGO, just the right side of a base. This, it's in mean trend now, so it's in that area where the market kind of is more likely to make a decision if it's going to trend out of there. Elco, pretty, you know, this one's pretty steady on its growth. Elco. It's not knock it out of the park. It's kind of okay. It didn't fit a GARP screen when it did move out. See, we've looked at it before. This bigger base here, a little base cheat there, and then the market crashed, based out again. So these first pullback areas were the ones to sort of, you know, first nibbles on this one, and then there was another base here. I don't think it ever passed the GARP screen though. Wouldn't have been that high for me. So that's what's moving today. Nice action in growth stocks. Yesterday was a good day, fantastic day for us in growth stocks, and today's looks okay as well. So a really good week. What have the markets done this week? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the markets have had a nice week as well. 250, not so much. And the small caps look like they're going to be kind of flat on the week. But yeah, the markets haven't done that great this week, have they? They've been in a little bit of back and fill, while growth stocks have been fantastic. Go figure. Okay.